Okay, welcome. I'm starting a new series. This is episode 1. Don't forget to subscribe. We are learning how to time, stretch, and warp in Ableton. Let's go ahead and check an example. Cool, so this vocal. It looked like this originally, right? Full vocal. But this little end section, I'm going to cut with Command E. Then we can hold Shift, and we have to put our mouse cursor over this top right border. You'll see this icon pop up. Then while holding Shift, you can click and move this to the right, and we can time stretch this. This will only work if you're warped right here in the audio clip, and we have to be in Complex Pro so that we can have clean warp shifting. We can mess with the formants to taste. You can also mess with the pitch to taste. You'll see here we have this, or we can time stretch it to like this. And really start to make something new, unique. And as long as you pitch and transpose correctly, it'll stay in key and sound good with your song. Reverse it.
Find out what my secret
Awesome tips, quick tricks. You already know what it is. Use these time stretching for anything dubstep, drum and bass, or house. You guys got it. Have a good day. Peace.